Are you struggling to get the Apache POI library to work after obfuscation? You're not alone. Many developers face this frustrating issue, and today we're going to tackle it together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you follow all the steps, yet you still encounter errors. It's like running a marathon only to trip at the finish line. Trust me, this is a common challenge for many developers. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user reported an error stating, provider com.b8xml streamed event factory not found. They added the necessary jar files but still faced issues. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what could be causing this error? It often stems from Proguard obfuscation settings that don't properly keep the necessary classes and methods. We'll break it down step by step to help you resolve this. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue with the Apache POI library after obfuscation, the user should first ensure that the Proguard rules are correctly set up. This is crucial for preventing the obfuscation of necessary classes. Next, the user should check if all required dependencies are included in the project. This includes the Apache POI libraries and any additional dependencies that may be necessary for proper functionality. The user should also review the build.gradle file to confirm that Proguard is enabled for both debug and release builds. This ensures that the obfuscation process is applied correctly. Finally, the user should test the application after making these adjustments. Running the app will help identify if the changes resolve the issue with the Apache POI library. Fun fact, did you know that the Apache POI library is named after a type of fruit? Just like the library, it helps you handle documents with ease. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves setting specific system properties to resolve issues with finding an XML parser when using Apache POI. They suggest adding these lines of code before using the library. Additionally, the user recommends downloading a ready-made jar file from a specific GitHub repository to simplify the integration of Apache POI into your Android project. For Proguard, the user provides a comprehensive set of rules to prevent warnings and ensure the necessary classes are kept intact during obfuscation. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach shared by another user suggests using the latest Apache POI version 3.117 for working with Excel files on Android. They emphasize the importance of removing duplicate classes from the XML beans.2.6dir.jar and including the Stacks and Stacks API jar libraries. When using Proguard, they advise being cautious not to obfuscate critical classes like com.b8xml and others required by POI. Additionally, for devices with API levels below 20, they recommend including the full drawing and spreadsheet package from oxml-schemas 1.3.jar to prevent class not found errors. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your Proguard rules updated as you add new libraries. This will save you from headaches down the line. And there you have it. With the right Proguard rules and dependencies, you should be able to get Apache POI working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other troubleshooting videos.